On behalf of Coupa and CARAHCAST, we would like to welcome you to today's podcast, focused around the 4 cornerstones of a successful procure-to-pay transformation, where Mike Maxwell, VP of Education and Government at Coupa Software, and Eric Williams, MS, CPM, and AVP of Supply Chain Management and CPO at UT Health Houston of the University of Texas, will discuss how to collaborate with staff and stakeholders for mutual success.
Hi, thank you, and good morning, good afternoon, everybody. We've got a big group online here, so really appreciate all of you joining us today forward to a great session. I'll give a little bit of a bio on our featured speaker here in a couple of minutes. Eric Williams, we're thrilled to have him with us today to talk about what's happening at the University of Texas. We've done the introductions. I'm going to do just a quick overview of who Coupa is. We're really a SaaS software company that ultimately is concerned with helping our customers increase the value of their spend. Universities and all kinds of institutions spend an enormous amount, and the more value you can get from that spend, the more benefits there are to your organization. One of the things that we really try to help our customers with is making it very easy to see the spend, so that they can have some controls on the spend and so they can improve the spend. And that involves having a solution that is very friendly to your users, very friendly to your administrators, and very friendly to your suppliers.